welcome to SRC Paradise. My name's Steven, and today I stumbled upon a new construction site right near my house, and I couldn't believe it, but we're going to check it out, do a little bashing today. I'm here with my V2 Kraton. Last episode, you guys may have seen, I bought a new motor. I got a 1450KV, brand new off eBay. It's from a Colossus / Reaper XT. I believe it's like a 4082 can size. It's larger. It's certainly larger than stock, but it's not like huge. And last episode I tested it with a 17 tooth pinion in it, and I was really surprised. It was like really soft, kind of slow. It felt like a slow 4S. So today I increased my pinion to a 19 tooth, and we're gonna see how that does. Also, I increased the punch settings from the factory default, which I think is just 4 out of 10, and I put it on, I think I put on an 8. Yeah, 8 out of 10. So I'm gonna see how that helps also. If it's still sluggish, like I'm expecting the performance to be hopefully quite a bit better with that 19 tooth in there. If it's still a bit sluggish, then I'll probably pick up like a 20 and maybe a 21 tooth and go from there. Also, main reason I got the motor, the lower KV motor, was temps. It gets super hot here in the summer, guys, like over 100 degrees and crazy humidity. So even with fans running, big Trencher X tires, through mud or gravel or whatever, the motors can get pretty hot. So I wanted a lower KV, a bigger motor to be more efficient and get less hot, hopefully. So that's kind of why I'm running it. I wasn't trying to become a speed demon or, I'm actually really happy with the BLX motor performance overall. I just want to keep temps, lower. So also I got my Hobby Wing fan working. I just it wasn't working in the last video. I couldn't figure it out. I was troubleshooting it when I got home, and then finally I realized that I'd plugged the power lead in like backwards in the receiver. So minor oversight on my part, but everything's all good, and fortunately it's not like burned out or something. So I'm stoked about that. So without further ado, let's get to it. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, way better. Way better initial acceleration. That's not full throttle. I'm just kind of checking it out. That was pretty close to full throttle, so it definitely needs to get. I definitely need to go up on pinion. That was not full throttle, but that was probably like 3/4. So it's feeling way better. Oh, well, there goes the wing. Huh. Looks like the didn't break necessarily. It just like ripped off right here. Yeah. So, or popped out actually. Yeah. All right. No biggie. Kind of a bummer, but I can fix that easily. So we will continue. I'm just gonna leave that right there for now, and we'll continue the driving. Wingless. I wasn't expecting the wheelie. That's why I flipped over. Oh man, I definitely need to increase the pinion though, guys. I can tell it's very torquey. I'm at a 19 tooth right now, like I said earlier. I'm probably gonna go. Oh man, I don't know. I might just go 21. Maybe this is faster than stock. I kind of can't remember now. Oh man, it's all kind of gnarly over here. I feel like my Kraton's cursed. Oh man. There we go. Hit the brake in the air there, thank God. Oh, and of course I landed right on that pipe. How about this way? That was pretty sick. Oh, I broke something. So that's a bummer, guys. Alright guys, I did a quick field repair. For those of you that don't own the Arrma products, this little end cap, there's one in the back and there's one in the front of the transmission. And basically, it looks beefy, but on the outside, this is just plastic housing. Why, why these are plastic is beyond me, for having designed such an overall great vehicle to sacrifice and use cheap materials in areas that, critical areas. Shame on Arrma. That's kind of BS in my opinion. When you pull that thing off, it's like a cap. Inside, it's just very, very thin, like 1/8 of an inch or less. Cast aluminum, I imagine. And because you can bend it with your hands, it's so weak. Anyway, the one in front bent and pulled out a little bit. I think when I took a bad landing over there. And then it pulled out of the back here. So I didn't take the front one off because it's very hard to get to unless you take all this other crap off. So I just took the one on the back off and I kind of bent it back and I just tightened it. I just screwed it back in. We'll see how it holds up. I don't think it's going to hold up all that great, but at least I'm going to go driving again and check it out. So guys, for all you folks that say Arrma is super strong, I have not had, this is the second breakage in the same run. I've never had this kind of damage with the Team Redcat BE6S. Not even close. Yeah, I broke the bumper last time. Little things here and there, but nothing like this. Nothing like broken A-arms, pins pulling out, bent rear hinge mounts. So yes, we could say that was a bad landing, and it's fair to say it was a hard landing, and yeah, something could have broken. But I am frustrated with. I love the Kraton, absolutely love it. It handles like a dream, but it is just, in my experience, not as durable as the BE6S. And I've got some heavy-duty upgrades on here. I can keep upgrading it, and I guess the one thing I'll say is, as I'm breaking things, I'm finding the weak points, the weak parts of the system, of the design. But it is frustrating because, new, like a V3 is going to run you $500, and BE6S new is about $580. Now, by the time you factor in all the upgrades you need to make the Arrma product, either Kraton or Outcast, bash worthy, you're talking shock towers, RPM bumpers and skids, the list kind of goes on and on. Different tires, wing mounts, whatever. You're up over $600 easy. So when you start comparing the two in terms of dollars, and is what's worth your money, you'd be hard pressed to find another RC that is a basher, that is as strong and durable as the Team Redcat BE6S. So I will leave it at that for this episode, and we'll touch on that subject later in future episodes. Now I'm going to go home and figure out exactly what I need to replace on this Kraton. As you can see, it looks like I'm going to need a hinge pin. And I don't even know what the rest of the damage is yet. Obviously, I'm going to need new A-arm. I'm going to need new mount in the back there. I'll probably have to upgrade these and get like some kind of heavy-duty aluminum or something. But that'll be for a future episode. Thanks for watching. Cheers.